Hi. So now, in this part of the video, we're going to start to power on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we can see that I've connected all of the parts. So you have your keyboard, and your mouse connected. I have the monitor connected, I have the power cable connected. So first thing first, make sure the power of your monitor is on. Yeah. Okay. Then next, we're going to power on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so you can just leave your Raspberry Pi at the corner here. Make sure your keyboard and your mouse are accessible and the monitor is easily viewed. Okay, and then let's turn on the Raspberry Pi. So once you turn on the Raspberry Pi, you'll see the red button go up with the green button, the red LED go up with the green LED, okay? Yeah, and you should start to see some feedback on your screen, okay? So sadly, my screen is slightly cracked, yeah, but it's still good enough to run the Raspberry Pi. And I'm gonna try and bring my camera closer so that you can see what is happening on the screen. Yeah. Okay. So now, when it's first booting up, you can see the sign of the cursor at the top, and you see a Raspberry Pi Welcome logo. This is the Raspbian OS, the operating system. Okay, so just give it a while. I think it's doing some configuration. Okay, so you should start to run some. Okay, so now we have turned on, the Raspbian OS is installed, and we can see that this is the desktop. Yeah, you see now when I'm moving my mouse actually works. Okay, so without anything done, your Raspbian OS is there. This is like a desktop computer compatible to Windows. Yeah, so this is the idea of a single board computer. It has got an operating system. Yeah, and it's quite powerful. It's good enough to do simple to slightly complex tasks, yeah, including playing videos. Okay, so what we're going to do is there's a welcome screen, there's a welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop message here, so we can just close that away, yeah. Now from here on, we're going to start to do some configurations, and I'm going to start to zoom into the screen. Yeah, okay, so it's going to be a full-on desktop view. The hardware setup is literally done for this part. Okay, so the next few parts are going to be software.